Oh yeah, it looks beautiful out there. So I've been practicing with the drone lately, and I think I'm ready to try to hook up the bait drop device on the drone and see if I could practice going parallel to the water, you know, just down the sand. See if I can go down there and drop the bait on the sand. So that's the plan for today, if I'm not interrupted by other needful things. Let's see what we can do. Right now, I can't break away from Gold Rush on the Discovery Channel. I'm having a hard time getting I hear it in there now, you know, like on my third episode. So I don't know if I'm gonna get to my own life right now or not. So you see right here, I'm charging up my little remote bait release thingy. This connects to the drone, and got my little remote here. I'm gonna test it. It's not all the way charged up. You see that pin right there? Well, a little thingy, I'll show you. See where the that ring right there goes through that pin right there, and that's the connection point right there. So here's the test for the remote. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow, that's fast. Look at that, man. Here's gonna close it again. Yeah, works good up close. So once it charges up fully, we'll go out and test it parallel to the beach. This is kind of exciting. Even though I found my reels, but didn't have a pole. I couldn't fit my poles in the box, so I left them. I wish I would have just doubled up the boxes and sent the poles, but they're not in there. So to get ready to connect the bait thrower underneath here, goes in that second slot. But before you do that, you got to put these extenders on there to make the drone stand a little bit higher than it did before, so that the thrower can be underneath and you can still land and not damage anything. So let's put the thrower on there. Check this out. There's some of those famous gabion cages right there. The goat can't eat those. Look down there, wow. Known as the Valderrama. Man, this would be a nice place to fly the drone. The drone couldn't even capture the immensity of this place. What does this stone say right here? Oh, managed construction, scouring prevention and slope protection through community managed construction. Total project cost $676,600 pesos. Direct cost $500,000. There's a lot of goats through here managing the the grass cutting duties. And look, there's terraced rice fields up there, so I imagine they have that to control. You know, it rained, it's sprinkling right now, and it rains a lot in the top of these mountains. And you know, you don't see much of it down there compared to up here. But they're probably getting some water out of some of the rice field up there. So, anyway, just stop for the view. Why they're managing this with those gabion cages because of, look, this is the reason why. Because look, wow. Oh, the road is getting undermined right here. Yeah, they need to fix that, man. Look, there's holes going up underneath the road right there. Yikes! And the gabion cages got washed away. See that? They need to manage the water coming off of the slope. That's what they need to manage. Instead of focusing so much on this. First manage the water up there. Probably just becomes a river. You know, when it's raining really hard. So that's the reason. And of course, there's some bananas right there. Oh yeah, banana. This is up in the Valderrama. Look at the farmland and the mountains. But this is the attempt to grow stuff. See that netting to keep, you know, stuff from falling off that cliff. They're going to grow vines in that net to keep some roots in the soil up there to try to keep the erosion from happening. See, it's just dirt right here, but over there it's got netting, and they draw them spikes down in the down in there to try to hold the netting. Pretty cool. Let's continue on, see what the progress is up here. I hadn't been up here in quite a while. And it's nice land up here. So, all right. Wow, look at that, man. It's quite a drop. I think I'm gonna turn around right here, because it might start raining. It's like crazy. I don't want to come up these hills in the rain. Yeah, I'll see it another day. It's funner on a motorcycle anyway. I don't want to see down there where they were building the bridge. All right, peace out. Valderrama, the view from the Valderrama. So there we go. That's what it looks like with the stilts. You know, these are attachments and stilt right there to raise it up so to have more clearance underneath, so that the drop, the remote drop piece could fit under there. So let's see if we can get this on there. It started thundering and lightning and rained a little bit. I didn't want to practice the drop today. It's going to have to be delayed till tomorrow. Look, I don't even have, I got fishing reels, but I don't even have a fishing pole, so it's no big deal. I'm just going to practice right now, going down the beach and see if I can drop the bait. You know, simulate that. Simulation.